Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to talk about the order of operations in mathematics. For calculations with multiple operations, the order of operations provides simple rules to determine the correct sequence to solve them. Before we jump into examples, let's first understand the key rules that guide us in solving calculations with multiple operations, which is what? Bodmas. Now, what does this stand for? B as to brackets or have the O as to orders, D as to division, M as to multiplication, A as to addition, and S as to subtraction. Now let's look at some examples. Let's say we have an example. 2 plus 2 square times 30 divided by 5. Solution. 2 plus 2 square times 30 divided by 5. This is equal to, first we solve what is in our brackets. Now 30 divided by 5 will give you 6. So say 2 plus 2 square times 6. The next thing, we'll find the order. Now 2 square is 4 times 6. The next thing, we solve for the multiplication. 4 times 6. So it will be equal to 2 plus 4 times 6 is 24. 2 plus 24 is equal to 26. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye!